What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's Polygonians. It's been so long since I've said that. How are my Polygonians doing? Probably like, come on, Matic, why aren't you moving? Well, it could be setting up to doing something spectacular. Our pattern with Ethereum played out to a T. So we're going to get into that. So we're sitting at $1.63. We're down about 0.38% on the day. I'm all out of juice. We're sitting at a market cap of 10.54 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 1.09 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, you know what to do. Sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and receive one of their incredible Visa cards with awesome benefits, including free Prime, Netflix, and Spotify music and movies and shows. What more do you need? Well, you need a lot more. All right, guys, so we're here with Ethereum. So I drew out that pattern that we talked about yesterday, our symmetrical triangle. We broke down, we hit our target 3133, and we bounced. Now a great time to enter a trade, guys, is when you've seen previous bounces off the RSI, especially on the 1 hour. I love using the 1 hour to enter trades. You can see, look at all these bounces off the RSI, off the 1 hour, all these relief bounces back to the upside. Right around this area, we've bounced numerous times. So when you see that, you see it backed up by some juicy volume. It's the ultimate time to enter a trade. It's a terrific signal to enter a trade, and we just absolutely exploded with Ethereum, and now we're consolidating. We've done some pretty important things, guys, including breaking this high. So unless we were to roll over and completely sell off, we basically invalidated our double top pattern. I'll show you guys that in a bit here, because we've broken our previous high, which is a massive sign of strength. So our next price target here is 3440. 3442, which is the 1.272 extension. Now we have this massive juicy bullish pattern here. There is a bit of a bearish divergence. The price is rising, the RSI is falling on the hourly. Can take time to play out, guys. As you can see here, the price was rising, the RSI was falling. It took quite a while to play out, all right, guys? And sometimes they can be invalidated, especially on the 1 hour time frame. So we have a juicy bull pennant here, and that would bring you up very close to the 1.618 extension, which is at about 3564, guys, the 1.618. So do keep an eye on this pattern. If you see it start to break out, we're back above the EMAs. We're gonna pop over to the 4 hour time frame. All right. So we're here on the 4 hour time frame, and you can see here we came down, we found our support, we shot right back above the EMAs, and we're breaking that high. So we're looking good on the 4 hour. No bearish divergence that we can see here. So we may see a bit of consolidation here before we see our next move for Ethereum, and of course Matic will follow along. So we're going to look at Ethereum on the daily, and there's something really important that I want to show you guys. So you can see here the price is rising. We're having a bearish divergence. Guys, these can take ages to play out on the daily. I'm going to show you guys one right here. Holy, guys in the hallways are slapping around bricks, it sounds like. All right, so we made a high right here, and the price continued to rise, and the RSI continued to fall. Now, if you saw this bearish divergence and you're like, you know what, I'm not going to enter any trades here. Basically, you wouldn't have entered a trade from January 18th, 19th, all the way to basically February 20th. So for an entire month, you wouldn't have entered a trade because you're waiting for this divergence to play out. And you would have missed out on, if you played this bottom here, you would have missed out on 100% move for ETH. So I'm just showing you this to you guys because these bearish divergences on the daily, they can take ages to play out. This one took a full month, and then look at the sell-off. It wasn't even that significant. When the divergence did play out. So this one is just starting, guys, so it may take some time to play out. All right, it's just something I wanted to make you guys aware of. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys that we had our double top, but we broke our previous high. I said if we break our previous high, it's invalidated, guys, and we're beautifully holding support of the 20 EMA. Ethereum is a beast, man. It's so strong. That's why I like Polygon. Like, yeah, I love the project and all that, and the news is cool, but mostly because of how closely it moves with Ethereum, and Ethereum is an absolute juggernaut. All right, guys, so we're gonna jump into Matic. Hope you guys are doing well and working towards your goals. All right, guys, very important to work towards your goals and have ambition in your life. It's just my opinion, though. It's not I'm not a life coach, so it's not life coach advice. I'm just a young guy from Canada. Really bad joke, Jax. Wow. All right, guys, so there is a major pattern that we could see here, and it's a massive juicy inverse head and shoulder. Left shoulder, guys, head. If you see us start to consolidate and we form that right shoulder, which looks like is happening right now, there's an extremely juicy breakout if we break this neckline. All right, guys, the neckline is right up here. Oh, it's an incredibly juicy trade. So do keep an eye on this pattern, guys, because if we do break out here, wow, look at that. You can't even see the juicy little white pool anymore. Oh, that sounded pretty dirty, but all right, guys. So it brings us all the way up to the 1.618 at $1.79. So if you do see us break above this neckline of resistance, that's a juicy trade opportunity of 7% here for Matic. All right, guys, a nice little trade. If you're trading with leverage, check out my full length tutorial. Sign up with Bybit. Could be much more. 10x leverage, that's a 70% move. All right, guys, so beautiful to see us come back up above the EMAs here on the hourly. And Matic is doing something really crucial on the daily, which is get back above the golden ratio. And you know what that means. You guys are probably really tired of me saying it, but if you're making money, you're probably okay with it. You get back above the golden ratio, gives you a stronger signal. You head back up to your high, $2.71, and the 1.272 extension at $3.99, and then we have the juicy 1.618 for Matic all the way up at $6.64. So it's looking great, guys. I mean, look at this on the daily. Beautiful, holding the EMAs. Even if we were to come back a little bit, we come back to $1.52 previous swing high, allow the EMAs to catch up. But as of right now, just keep an eye on this pattern, this inverse head and shoulders. You see your breakout, your technical target is up here at $1.79. We had a little bit of healthy correction here, and it's looking really good in my opinion. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Juicy little update. Follow me on social, smash that like button. See you in the next video. All right, guys, peace, much love, take care.